SolarWinds ipMonitor Free Edition delivers agentless monitoring of networks, servers, and applications. It's designed to give you essential status and performance information for up to 50 monitors, including up-down status of devices, CPU, memory, and disk usage, as well as highlighting performance issues with critical services and processes. Configurable alerts can help you uncover issues or failures before they impact your end users. The centralized dashboard can help you quickly identify the root cause, so you can engage the right resources to solve the problem. You can even configure ipMonitor Free Edition to take corrective action, such as rebooting a server or executing a script. ipMonitor Free Edition runs on a single machine with minimal system requirements, making it perfect for small to medium environments. The Startup Wizard walks you through deployment, including automated discovery and alert configuration recommendations, so you can be up and running typically in minutes. Find critical issues and avoid costly outages with SolarWinds ipMonitor Free Edition.